Right, everybody, welcome to today's video. I got a 2011 Jetta MK6, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the parking brake. Now, there's a few tutorials online that want you to adjust the cables. That's not how this is done. It's an automatic adjuster. You only need to adjust it if new cables are installed. First thing I'm going to do, start it up. Now that's started, hold it in the brake, release it. As you can see right there, I got some movement for a click. So hold the brake in pretty hard, hold the button down, pull it up as far as you can, release it. Okay, foot off the brake. So I got a little bit of adjustment there. We gotta try it again. You may have to do it a few times, but you can see it's clicking in now. So it's pretty simple. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I want to thank you guys for watching. This is an easy thing. Now pay mind that if you have the electronic automatic adjusters, it's not going to work. This is only for cable adjustment only. I'll see you guys in the next video.